here we are in La Playa, one of the most desirable neighborhoods in all of Point Loma. Now we are nearby some of the best beaches Southern California has to offer, as well as great yacht clubs, fishing, and all of the fun water sport activities you think of when you're California dreaming. Now today we're taking a look inside this multi-level smart home with multi-million-dollar views of not only Coronado Island, but downtown San Diego as well, with its own private movie theater and over 3,000 square feet of outdoor living space. Let's go take a look inside. Good to see you.
Good to see you, Ty.
Everybody, this is Chase Maher from the Chase Maher Group. Tell us about this place.
We have a contemporary 4-bedroom, 7-bath smart home with over 5,000 square feet of living space, 3,000 square feet of outdoor space. First, I want to show you the Savant smart home system. We have 6 security cameras outside. You can see it from every iPad along in the house. You can see it from your phone when you're away. An entertainer-style kitchen. We have handleless cabinets, Italian Carrara marble backsplash, porcelain waterfall counters, and one of the really cool features of this kitchen is this 1.5-inch infused glass breakfast table, looking over the yacht club, looking over Coronado Bay, and of course the skyline at night. These are folding glass doors. They fold open very easily, they save space, they offer incredible view and incredible airflow.
Wow, you talk about an entertainer's dream home. This is the epitome of entertainer's dream.
This pool table was custom designed by the Superior Institute of Design in France. It's a beautiful pool table, beautiful space in here. You can catch a movie.
I think it's time for me to take you up on the game of pool. Very nice. And just like that, the game is over. We could have faked it, but no staging on this show. All of it's real.
Let's go check out the movie theater.
Let's do it.
So you can do anything you want in here. You can catch a game, you can play video games, beautiful furniture. You can lay down, you can hang out. You don't gotta go anywhere. Next, we're gonna show the office.
Bam, and as you walk in, I mean, you gotta stop and pause because you have that view again. It feels presidential with these types of views.
I got a little surprise for you, so just wait right here and give me 1 sec. So Ty, what better way to enjoy the view, enjoy the breeze, enjoy the lighting than have your own personal gym?
This is motivating. You know, I could wake up, whether I'm in a suit or not, and come out here and do my little workout. Got the birds going in the background in San Diego Bay and downtown and Coronado and everything you need right here.
You have a wet bar right here, Ty, so you can either work out, you can make a drink. It's totally your choice, but let's check out the master retreat. We have a custom floating bed here with LED underbed lighting, folding glass doors overlooking the beautiful view, ambient lighting, surround sound. You really can't ask for anything else. The iPads that are sitting on the charging stations in each and every room really give you the brains of the house right at your fingertips. Let's just go ahead and close the shades.
Very nice, so everything at your fingertips.
The ensuite master bath is beautiful. Soaking tub, the separate glass shower, his and her sides.
It's really like a resort. This is the type of property that you want to come home to. And I can see right across the hallway there, you have a large master closet as well. Everything you need is here in the home. Bam, so here we are. I mean, this is amazing, and you almost forget when you're touring the home because you see it so often from every room. But really, you gotta stop and pause because this is not normal. This is a multi-million-dollar view in one of the best areas in San Diego.
I wanna show you this cool little lounging nook right here, and then I'll show you the pool area.
Very nice.
Retreating from the master, you have your, I call it the lounging nook. Really cool piece of furniture here for you to lay down in, read, take a nap. Oh, you're gonna take a nap right now?
I gotta try this out.
Hey.
I mean, with the trees and everything here, I just feel so relaxed.
Well, you're working so hard, you deserve a little nap, man.
Oh man, okay, I'll catch up with you later.
All right, cool. So, Ty, I know it's nice up there, but you ready to come down? I'll show you the rest of the house.
You know, I'll make my way down.
So Ty, I'm glad you woke up from your nap. I hope it was a great one. Now that we're out here, over 3,000 square foot of outdoor space, you have your pool, you have your spa, resort style lounging for your cocktails, you have a custom basalt stone barbecue table, built-in gas grill. When you're looking back at the house, I really want you to imagine you have folks inside in the kitchen, hanging out, making food. You got people in the pool, you got people lounging in the chairs, you got music over here on the patio, the barbecue's going, the outdoor patio over here, more lounging, more space for entertainment, and shall we enjoy this couch and enjoy this view?
So relaxing. You know, that's the nice thing about this home, and that actually could be another theme of the home. Relaxation.
I don't even know if I want to sell this place anymore. Let's just buy it ourselves.
I'm thinking we go half and half, but first, Chase, we got to jump in the show helicopter. They're waiting for us. We'll take a look at the community from the air. We'll fly over the yacht clubs, the beach, the sailboats, and just have more fun.
Excellent. I can't wait for the chopper.
Let's go do it.
All right, Chase, here we are above the home. Another great perspective of a great property. Talk a little bit about the home now that we can see really how large it is.
It's a beautiful property from the air, just like it is down on the ground. It's really nestled, surrounded by trees. You can really tell how unique the backyard is. The pool looks fabulous, and you really see some really nice real estate around it, but I tell you what, man, all I look at is this property stands alone as one of the nicest in the area, and it's really cool being up here.
Talk a little bit about the community. What are the neighbors like?
All around, every neighbor that I've been meeting, everybody in the area is so nice and kind. The thing I like about Point Loma is the sun rises on one side, it sets on the other. You're always getting that natural light. You're always in the sun. You're always having fun. You just turn down the corner. You have a private beach. You have the yacht club right there. And you have beautiful areas like Cabrillo and Sunset Cliffs, OB. You're a short drive to Mission. Centralized, but you're private. And you're in the heart of La Playa. Who would want anything more?
Now, being up here and looking down at the home, I mean, it's an entertainer's dream home.
We threw an incredible event there last night. It really gave everybody the perspective and see the potential of what this home offers. There was 90 people in there. There was music. It was really an incredible time. And just like you said, it was made for entertaining.
And as we kind of mentioned before, through that event, you kind of get the feel of both perspectives of the home, the entertainment style property that it is, but then now, and even when we were just down inside not too long ago, how peaceful and quiet and private the home is.
Exactly like you said, you have both ends of the spectrum, and it's flawless at both ends.
If you had to sum up this home, this community in one sentence, I'm going to put you to the challenge. What would that be?
A contemporary smart home nestled in the private and beautiful La Playa with anything you want all around it.
Boom. Great job, Chase. Thanks so much.
Thank you, Ty.